So in this video, we're going to talk about the eyes and their internal and external structures. So some of the external structure of the eye include the cornea, which job is to refract light, the iris, which job is to control the pupil diameter, and then the pupil, which is the small hole in the middle of the eye that lets light in. Some additional structures of the external eye are the lacrimal apparatus. This is where our tears are produced and drained. And we also have 6 muscles around the eye. We have lateral rectus, medial rectus, superior and inferior rectus, and we also have the superior oblique and the inferior oblique muscles of the eye. Moving to the internal structures, we are greeted with the lens, which job is to focus light onto the retina. The retina is the internal layer of the eye, and it's the most sensitive part of the eye. This is where our rods and our cones are. Our rods are what provide us with the ability to see in black and white, and our cones color. Rods we would use in dim light situations and in our peripherals, and cones we would use for high acuity and very bright light. There are structures in the eye that only have each, such as the fovea centralis, in which only cones are present. In addition to that, we have the optic nerve, so this is at the back of the eye, and this is what carries the nerve impulses from light touching the retina to our brain, and then our brain turns it into what we see in front of us. We also have 2 liquid substances. One is called the aqueous humor. The aqueous humor is located in between the cornea and the lens, and its job is to nourish the eye. From there, we have the vitreous humor. The vitreous humor is a more jelly-like substance, while the aqueous is more watery, and its job is to maintain the shape of the eye, and this is located between the retina and the lens.